everybody, and welcome to day 23. I hope you're having a lovely day so far and enjoying all these nice videos.
Happy Christmas Eve.
Happy Christmas Eve. So first up, day 23, Revolution Makeup. 2 more days after this one.
No. One more down.
Oh,
I saved the whole thing.
You saved my life almost. So we've got a lip color. Looks like a very nude lip. So this is, I'm guessing it's another amazing lipstick. Yes, in the shade Embrace. I'm going to swatch it on my other hand because I've made a mess of my left hand. This is weird.
The other lipstick you've got was kind of neutral too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's a nice neutral. Peach. I would say that's a peach color for sure. Okay. Very nice. All I can smell is perfume. So that is day number 23 from Revolution Makeup. Up next is our day 23 of our NYX Loveless Disco Box.
24 is on my side. No, it's on your side.
So this is tiny. I think it's glitter. I think it's going to be a pot of glitter.
Or a scent.
It's a pot of glitter. Just what a 39-year-old lady needs.
Yes. My whole opinion of this box has been that it's designed
for a younger crowd.
Yeah.
I really like the lip colors.
But there is good stuff.
There is good stuff. I'm still young-ish, man.
Yeah.
So we got a pot of glitter. Can't quite tell the shade with all the wrapping on it. Let's open it up. Let's open it up and see. Open your heart to me. You gotta be a little weird to get through life, Jason. You can't just be a stoic, non-nutty person.
Fair enough.
And I like being a little nutty. And right on the bottom it says GLI08. I'm trying to see. I can see a shade on here, but it's so reflective.
Think it'll have a scent?
I don't think it'll have a scent.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, there's a sticker on it. There's always stickers on it.
Probably good. What if it's fairly not as viscous as you think? Yeah.
Oh, so it's like a rose gold.
Oh, is it a powder in there?
It's a glitter. So that, I mean, it's really, really pretty, and like that would look phenomenal on like your eyelids on Christmas Eve or New Year's Eve.
So that came out like a salt shaker.
Yeah, it's just like a little.
I was expecting like a cream with the
no,
glitter
it's a loose. It's definitely a loose glitter. It's really pretty though, isn't it? Like even from back here. So I would definitely say it's a rose gold glitter. And I really like the color. I'm not going to use it probably, but I really like the color. And last but not least is day 23 of Glossybox. Let's open it up and see what we have. Okay. 2 more after this one. Day 23. I can't wait for day 25. I'm so excited. It's a huge box.
A big old box.
Big old box. So day 23 of Glossybox. And it's a tube. How terribly exciting.
Tube.
So it is from the brand Context. Oh, it's a microderm regenerator. This 2-in-1 daily cleanser and gentle exfoliator soothes and purifies skin as it effectively cleanses. Let us see how it feels on the skin. Oh, that's like a gel.
Is there a grit in it?
There is a grit.
Yeah. I bet that'll clean that pink stuff.
Yeah, I've got like a lipstick swatch that went haywire. It doesn't really have a very strong scent.
Okay.
So that is what we've got on day number 23. All right, I'm going to guess, Jason, for this lovely, because it's microderm, I'm going to guess $30.
We're close, $35.
$35! I love a good microderm.
They claim that if you use this product, you can skip your facials if you like.
Well, that's good, because I've skipped the last, like, 100,000 facial lifts with that.
Yeah, it's a cleanser exfoliator hybrid from Context. Buffing away dead skin cells, you can face the upcoming holidays with a fresh start.
Oh, well, that's good. I need a fresh start.
You can feel the grit inside of it though, right? It's
Yep.
kind of like the soap. They give us that work with us. Just a bit of grit just to get that heavy duty stuff off.
Are you comparing this to Orange Glow or whatever
Yes.
it's called?
That's probably the grit in that is probably a lot finer.
You're hilarious.
Yeah.
Okay, let's pick our favorite. It's not going to be very difficult. I'm going to go with the Glossybox Microderm from Context, and then the Revolution lipstick just because it's a nice peachy nude, and then the glitter, which is beautiful, but I probably won't wear. So that was day 23. Thank you for watching. If you wouldn't mind, you know what to do. Subscribing, liking, watching, commenting if you have any questions or comments about how you feel I am. I love criticism too. Anyway, have a great day, great night, great week, great evening, great everything. Have a great everything, and we really appreciate you watching. Bye for now.